If you have not tried this problem yet, please stop the video. Try it yourself first. If you can't get it to turn green or you get stuck on something, then you can come watch the video again later. Or, I encourage you to try it yourself. Even if it does turn green, still watch the video just to make sure that you're getting the lesson and hearing the problem. All right, so the inverse. Given the equation, P is equal to 5 times H, where H is the number of hot dogs, and P is the number of participants at an event. An increase of 6 hot dogs was caused by, well, again, I would guess here that if we're going to have more hot dogs, we're going to have more people or more participants. I would just imagine that as this number goes up, that number has to go up. That makes sense. So let's check it out here. So we got P equals 5H. Let's put the H is our input on the left-hand side. Our P is our output because it says equal to P. All right, so again, let's start with 0. Okay, so 5 times 0. 0 hot dogs, guess what? 0 people. If you don't have food, I'm not coming, right? No hot dogs, I'm not there for the contest. Now let's put 1 in. So if I've got 1 hot dog, okay, it's 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. So if I've got 1 hot dog, it says that I've got 5 participants, okay? So, may or may not make sense because there's only 1 hot dog. I probably shouldn't have that many people there. But anyways, let's put a 2 in for hot dogs, okay? So 5 times 2 is 10. So that means I would have, if I have 2 hot dogs, it means I have 10 participants. Again, it doesn't really make sense, but that's okay. We can live with it for the problem. Now let's check it out here. They want an increase of 6 hot dogs. Well, okay. So we kind of got the idea. As the hot dogs go up, the people or the participants go up. So let's jump to 6, okay? I think we got the idea. What is 5 times 6? Well, 5 times 6 is 30, right? Okay. So from 0 to 6, we have an increase of 6 hot dogs. That is what the problem talked about, an increase of 6 hot dogs. From 0 to 6 is an increase of 6. So from 0 to 30, that's an increase of 30 participants. So that's going to be our answer here. So we've got an increase. So an increase of 6 hot dogs is an increase of 30 participants. Even if that doesn't make sense, that's what this problem is saying, okay? Because according to our table here, if we add 6 hot dogs, we're going to have an additional 30 participants. That's what this problem is saying. And again, you know what? Guess what here? If we had the shortcut, we could have just plugged in 6 for H right away, and we would have got the 30 out, and that's the answer we're looking for. So it kind of helps us out in seeing what's going on with our rate of change. Okay, so again, that's how we do that problem.